Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Makeup Monday. If you guys are new, hi, my name is Karina, also known as OMG Lashes. I hope you subscribe, join the Lash team, Lash Fam Bam. Just click subscribe. Today's video is going to be a unboxing. So Makeup Monday, usually we do makeup tutorials, but you know what? I'm just going with the flow. Whatever pops in my mind, that's what we're doing. So today we're going to be testing out all the products that we received in our July BoxyCharm box. And as you can see, I have a full face of products that I have here. Now, just because we have a full face doesn't mean that we like them. Do we hate them? Do we not hate them? So we're going to put these to the test. We got a face mask. We got lip gloss, eyeliner. We also got this really cute eyeshadow palette, as well as some eye and face brushes. So if you guys want to kind of get ready with me, do your makeup with me, or just unbox this whole box together, then go ahead and keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, as well as turn that little bell notification on so you do not miss any of Makeup Monday's videos. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. I feel like the genie when I go like this. I'm going to start with this mask. This is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. This has an MSRP of $35. I've heard of this brand, and I think we've received a few products from Elemis, but that's really, you know, that's all there is to it. Like, I don't know much, so we're going to try this. Oh, this has a very like medical-y, minty, peppermint-ish type of scent. I swear I smell this so much, and I feel like it's tea tree oil or something. I don't know. I'm just gonna take my little J-Cat Beauty, what is this? The Pro Makeup Silicone Face Exfoliator and Mask Applicator. I actually really like this. It's pretty cool. It says to remove after 10 minutes with a damp, dark cloth. If contact occurs with eyes, rinse thoroughly, may stain fabrics. Yikes. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this on for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and wash it off. We're going to come back, and we are going to... I'm so excited for the Alamar Cosmetics lip gloss. This is in Las Des-Nude-As Coqueta. We also have the Butter London little natural goddess palette. I'm also excited for that. We have a gel eyeliner, and then we also have some brushes. These are by Luxie. Oh, that's cute. So these are like earth friendly brushes. We've had a few of Luxie brushes, like tons of them, in our BoxyCharm before. So when I do come back, I will have pretty much my full face done except for the eyes, lips, and that'll be it. So I will be back in 10 minutes. And P.S. I am not loving the scent. It's a little too strong. Like, I can just constantly smell it, and it's not a bad scent. It's just a little too strong. I wish they would kind of like tone it back a notch with this. So we're gonna see how this works. I hope it doesn't break me out. You guys know that my skin is like super extra sensitive. So yeah, we'll keep you guys updated on this. I use this brush to blend out the eye primer that I just laid down. This is the large eye blending. I just wouldn't use this personally for applying any color. It's just a little too thick and fluffy for my personal use. And honestly, I'm probably going to be using my own brushes. Again, this one I did use it. This one I should have used it for the mask or for my foundation, but I just don't use these for foundation. And then this one, the Precision Crease, this one we might use it. So with that said, I am going to reach into another palette because the Butter London does not offer enough shades for me. So I'm just going to speed up the process, but I'm going to use some Makeup Geek eyeshadows. I'm going to lay or post the details, but I think I'm going to just use like these three shades, and then we can go in with the dark brown and then the blue, or we'll see what we come up with. Okay, wow, this palette is actually like really beautiful. The blue that I threw into like the waterline, lower lash line is amazing. So really quickly, let me just go over this. The Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette serving queendom realness. Bring out your inner goddess, and Butter London's vibrant natural goddess eyeshadow palettes. This has an MSRP of $32 with 6 highly pigmented, long-lasting shades. I really like this palette. Like, I have never tried anything from Butter London as far as like eyeshadow palettes. I don't believe I have, and I am really impressed, especially with like the matte shades. They are so creamy and blendable. Also, I really did enjoy this eyeliner. This is the Appeal Gel Eyeliner in the shade Forest Green. This one retails for $21, which is kind of pricey for a eyeliner, but I think it looks really well. And then we're going to try the last thing in our box, which is the lip gloss. I am so excited. I'm quickly going to line my lips with my little NYX lip liner in the shade Downtown Beauty. You guys know this is like my go-to. Okay, lips are lined. Now let's go in with the Alamar Cosmetics, a long-lasting thickening formula that conditions the lips while delivering high shine and full pigmentation. Wear it alone or over our new Des-Nude-As lip liners. Gluten-free, talc-free, vegan, and cruelty-free. I really love the name of these. If you guys speak Spanish, Des-Nude-As, like Desnuda means like naked, but they spell it DES-NUDE-AS. So nude as in the color nude. So clever. This is what the packaging looks like. And the shade that I have, again, is Coqueta. I love this packaging. It's like ombre from a dark coffee brown to like a light nude. The doe foot applicator is pretty standard, and this has like a little plastic see-through, which I don't know why, but I really like this. So let's try it. Ooh. Oh my god. These feel so creamy. Oh my god. Okay, you guys have to let me know how you feel about this formula, because I am living for it. Living! Yes, this is definitely going to be a go-to gloss. Look at how shiny my lips look. I can't get over it. Anyway, so the total MSRP, or the subtotal, whatever you want to call it, for this box is $133, which again, mind-blowing. You only paid $21 a month. The only thing that I didn't really care for were the brushes. These are just brushes that I personally wouldn't really use, besides maybe the really small one. But even then, I have so many small brushes that I'm like, not really interested. So didn't really care much about this. Absolutely loved the Butter London palette. It's gorgeous. The eyeliner, so creamy. We're going to see if it's long wearing. Of course, I love and approve the Alamar nude lip gloss. And then what else did we get? The mask. I liked it. I think it left my skin feeling pretty like soft after I took it off. I just can't get over the scent. So for me, this is going to be a no-go. But other than that, you guys, I am super happy with my July BoxyCharm. What is your favorite products from this month's box? And also, are you going to be recreating this look? If you do, as always, tag me on my Instagram so I can show you some love. Thank you guys for joining me today on this July BoxyCharm unboxing / try on. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!